guys, this is Akanksha and welcome back to my channel and welcome to 2021 guys. And before getting into the video, let's give ourselves a round of applause for conquering 2020. Oh my god, I seriously don't want to sit here and crib about 2020 and what all happened, but it's okay. We sustained it and we are here in 2021 and having good, great hopes. And I hope this year will be good and fun for all of us, and whatever we planned for 2020 we couldn't do, travel and all that stuff, we will be able to do it this year. So in today's video, I'm going to talk to you guys about what you can do in your initial days of 2021 to give your year a perfect start. I know video banane mein thoda late ho gaya, but these were the things I was doing and I was like, oh, I'm feeling good about it and why not, let's just share it with you guys. So yeah, having said that, let's just jump into the video. Number one is make a list of your accomplishment for 2020. अगर ऐसे बैठ के सोचोगे तो you will realize कि अरे कुछ नहीं किया 2020 में, तो घर पे ही बैठे हुए थे. But if you really think about it, you will get to know that you have accomplished a lot. First thing, we sustained 2020. It was a big deal, guys. बहुत issues थे. We were far from our family and they were worrying about us, but still we were managing. We were giving them hopes. We were talking to them on calls and telling them no, we are okay and all that stuff. So I survived pandemic all my own, and this is one of my accomplishment कि कम resource में भी हम कितना survive कर सकते हैं. Take out your pen and paper and start writing what you have accomplished. And trust me, पता है बहुत satisfaction मिलेगा. Okay, पर्दा. मुझे नहीं पता कैमरे में कैप्चर हो रहा है या नहीं, पर ये पर्दा उड़ रहा है. Just be there. Number 2, make a list of things you're grateful for, and trust me, there are a lot of things. You just need to sit down and give yourself a deep thought कि क्या हुआ. For me, point number 1, I had my friends when pandemic hit. We were all together. तो मेरे parents के लिए उतना tension नहीं था. I had a safe job. Another thing, there were a lot of people who were out of their job. You know, companies were, you know, laying off people. There were a lot of things happening. So I am really grateful that I had job. मेरे पास financial crisis नहीं थे during this lockdown. जो basic necessities थी, जो हम रोटी कपड़ा मकान कहते हैं, वो उसका crisis नहीं हुआ. If you are thinking कि कुछ भी अच्छा नहीं हुआ, I'm not at all grateful for something, just sit down and write few things and you will get to know that, you know, a lot of things happen and you are really grateful for that. Point number 3, make a list of lessons you learned. For me, if you follow me on social media, you know I suck at cooking. I never cook, but because of this, I learned cooking, guys. I can cook, okay, edible hota hai. I won't say that it's very yummy and very tasty, but I can cook really well. I got to learn a new language. That is, again, I'm not really sure if I'm very happy about it, but I'm grateful that I got to learn something different and something new.
Okay, there is a light change. Suddenly gloomy ho gaya. Anyways, bear with me.
So sit down and write your own lesson you learned in 2020. Next point is finish all your pending tasks. मेरे लिए pending task था, like I wanted to create my resume. मैंने college के बाद guys कभी resume नहीं बनाया. मुझे campus placement हुआ Accenture में and I was sitting and chilling and working. Now I realized कि dude, you're growing up. Come on, sit and make your resume. अभी मैंने थोड़ा टाइम पहले अपना resume बनाया and I felt so good. I feel secure for some reason. पहले ऐसा लगता है कुछ नहीं आता. But when I started creating my resume, I realized no, there are few things which I know and I'm really good at. Like I had to submit few posts जो दिसंबर के मिड से पेंडिंग थे और वो हो ही नहीं पा रहे थे because I was not able to get a photographer and all that stuff. So now I was able to do that as well. मैंने सबसे पहले वो पेंडिंग पोस्ट को सबमिट किया ब्रांड्स को. Obviously you don't want anything hanging on your head. Next thing is declutter. Oh my god. Again, if you go back in your room, you will see there is so much crap you have accumulated in your room, in your house. Try decluttering. If you don't know how to declutter, there are so many videos available on YouTube, Marie Kondo kit tricks and all that stuff. You can definitely go and watch those videos. If you want me to make one, I can do that as well. But yeah, declutter your space. अगर पुरानी चीजें which doesn't spark joy inside you, if you'll throw it out, it will give, you know, it will create a space for new things to come in, and you know, it will keep you motivated, it will keep you happy in your life. Declutter your bedroom space, declutter your vanity, declutter your study table, declutter your digital space, your phone. उसमें बहुत सारी photos पड़ी होंगी, उसको drive पे डालो. Clean your phone, clean your contacts. Declutter, very important. Declutter. Learn it. Do it. Very important. Moving on to the next thing guys is clean your closet. बहुत सारे NGOs हैं जो New Year's में starting में आते हैं, they ask you for clothes, for money. If you can't give them money, at least give them your old clothes which are in a good condition. Don't sell it. Thrifting इतना ज़्यादा हो रहा है market में. At least for your new year, like to make someone else happy, just try donating your things. Don't sell it guys. Don't try to earn money early month of the new year. Here what's the benefit is you are selling it to someone, that person is also happy and you are also happy because you can buy new things and you will feel satisfied that you have helped someone. So yeah, clean your closet, donate those things and keep things with you which sparks joy inside you. So do it and you will feel really good about yourself. Okay, next, it might sound stupid but it's very important. Okay, upgrade your surrounding. Buy a coffee mug. मैंने cushions खरीदे अपने लिए, मैंने cushion covers खरीदे, मैंने fairy lights खरीदी because lights are something which really calms me down if I'm hyperactive, if I'm very energetic. Then fairy lights helps me a lot. कहता है अगर एक भी element तुम्हारी daily routine में नया add होता है, it gives motivation. It gives you this sense of fresh start. I'm not sure whatever I'm saying if it's making sense, but try doing it guys. It really helps. Next point, plan a health routine. Again, यहाँ पे planning से मतलब ये नहीं है कि gym जाओ, subscription लो, workout, weight training, functional, CrossFit. No. You need to start with something small. Start having 10k steps every day. Start having green veggies every day. Start having fruits every day. These are the basic things you can do, right? Plan it according to your wish. Plan it out according to your comfort. Listen to your body, listen to your brain, what it wants. Plan a health routine and act on it. It'll keep you, motivated for the entire year. And जैसे अगर steps के साथ तुम comfortable हो रहे हो, start skipping, right? Start dancing. And अगर उस सबसे comfortable हो पाते हो, if you believe कि now you have time to join a gym, go and join gym. Again, don't be hard on yourself. Start from the bottom and then push yourself upward. Moving on to the next thing, set inspirational goals, not resolutions.
Okay, not resolutions. No.
Resolution बचपन से बना रहे हैं, कभी पूरे नहीं होते. Inspirational goals रखो, which make sense to you, which is good for your career, for your mental peace, for your physical health, everything. ये फिर पर्दा उड़ रहा है. Not resolution. Resolutions are stupid. It doesn't make sense.
मैं साल ड्राइविंग सीखूंगी. मैं साल स्विमिंग सीखूंगी.
Driving and swimming is something you don't really need to plan for it. Swimming सीखने में कितना टाइम लगता है? मेरे को नहीं आता. मैंने नहीं सीखा है. Lekin I think so 15 days, 20 days is enough to learn swimming, right? Same goes with driving. Inspirational goal would be something which takes planning. Like, you need to plan. If you want to do it, go for it. But for me, resolution doesn't work. Next thing, which has been said a lot all over the internet, Deepika Padukone ने भी उसके बारे में बात की थी, which is self-love. I completely understand self-love is not something जो overnight होता है. It needs practice. It needs a lot of self-control. It needs a lot of motivation from inside. The max you can do is you should not let people walk all over you. That's the max you can do. Have control over your life and have control over the things happening on your life. मैं ये नहीं बोल रही हूँ कि सामने वाला बंदा क्या बोल रहा है उसमें तुम्हारा control होता है, ऐसा नहीं है. But reacting to it depends on you. So keep yourself in the center. Keep yourself as priority. Keep loving yourself. Keep making yourself happy, and everything will fall into place. So self-love is again very important. If you're not doing it, start doing it from 2021 and you will see changes in your personality, in your mental health. Start doing it and everything will fall into place. Okay, so lastly, there are a few reminders I want you to hear. So number one, satisfy your soul, not the society. This is what we all have been doing since eternity, since the beginning of time. Satisfying society, that's not how it works. If you feel good by doing that work about yourself, then do it. Don't think about anybody else. Second, opinion don't define reality. There are a lot of people who will come to your face and give you unsolicited advice. You don't need it. Third point, it's okay to fail and fall. Like they say, the one who falls and gets up is much stronger than the one who never fell. It's okay to fall. Don't be hard on yourself. Fourth one, trust the timing of your life, guys. I know a lot of people who believe in success, who want success overnight, alright? And this is now how it happens. Things takes time. Trust the timing of your life. If you're working hard for something, you will get it. Last one, and the most cliched thing ever said. live don't exist. Life is very important to all of us, okay? And कभी-कभी ज़िंदगी के पीछे भागते-भागते we want to earn money, we want to secure our future. All of that makes sense. Everything is perfect, and I totally agree with you that money is important. But वो करते-करते हम ज़िंदगी की बहुत सारी चीजें मिस कर देते हैं. But no, that's not how it should be, right? कटरीना कैफ ने जिंदगी न मिलेगी दोबारा में बोला था, right? कि live each and every moment, my friend. Who knows 40 तक हम जिंदा रहें या ना रहें, right? It's good to work for your future, but try to live each and every moment possible in your life, because those things are creating memories, right? Those things are giving you peace in your head. Those things are, helping you to live, not to survive. So yeah, that's about it for today's video, guys. I hope this video was helpful. Whatever I said in this video was coming directly from my heart, and that is something which is very important for all of us. We really need to understand what we really want in our life. 2021 mein there would be a lot of things we all gonna accomplish which we couldn't do last year, but it's okay. Again, trust your timing. अगर पिछले साल होना होता वो हो जाता, इस साल उसे होना है और वो होगा. We all will get success in our career. We all will live our life happily. Yeah, that's all for today's video, guys. I hope you like it. Give it a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. You can also follow me on social media. My profile would be popping on the screen and would be linked below in the description box. You can go and check it out. These days I've been creating a lot of fun reels, fashion related reels. You all will love it. So yeah, make sure to follow me there, and yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye bye. Cheers.